and we're going to create a trigger that's going to actually allow us to manually move it. So one trigger is just going to be for the tag, and one trigger is going to be a pipeline move. So 2 triggers for each single stage is what we're going to create right now, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it, okay? But before we get into that, I want to let you guys know, if you are texting and you want accurate numbers, go check out the skip tracing service below. They show you which numbers are landlines, which are mobile, and you get the most accurate data. Also, they let you know which ones are litigators, so you don't text anyone that could potentially sue you. Once again, I'm not an attorney, so make sure you consult an attorney, but litigators tend to sue if you text them unsolicited messages, so it's always good to scrub them. I'm going to start with the hot. We're going to go over here to automations. We're going to go into triggers, right? We are going to be super organized and tag added right here. So we already have a lead. We are going to create a new trigger. As you can see, I already have some triggers here. So you're just going to click add trigger, and you're going to name the trigger tag added hot. So that's the first one, tag added hot. Once you create it, you're going to get something like this. It doesn't really have anything. So first thing you want to do, let's just be pretty simple. You're going to do contact tag added hot, and you are going to update the opportunity to the acquisition pipeline hot. You're also going to put check this to allow it to move to any previous stages. Click this box. You are going to remove other tags as well. So remove contact tag. You're going to remove the tags, any other tag that's not hot. So you'll remove warm, you'll remove cold, you'll remove under contract, right? Closed, you'll remove that one, dead, and find comps. Okay, so you're going to remove all of those: warm, cold, under contract, closed, dead, and find comps. Those are the ones that you're going to remove. And set appointment. That's one that you want to make sure you remove. So pretty easy, right? Now all you're going to do is double check. Let me check if there's anything else important here. Nope, nothing else important. So we can go ahead and save it. We can activate this, and once we activate it, this is the first trigger for the hot. Now we're going to create the second trigger called hot pipeline move. So what this is going to do is pretty much every time that you move it to the acquisition pipeline, so you'll just select our Reireply pipeline stage, just go here and you look for the pipeline stage changed. You're going to go here in pipeline, acquisition, add filter, pipeline stage, hot. You're going to find add contact tag. So you search for add contact tag, hot. You're also going to remove contact tags. You're going to remove the tags, any other tag. So you are going to remove set appointment. You're going to remove what's the other one? Cold, warm, dead, under contract, closed, and find comps. So we should be able to have this trigger working. So let's say that this is tagged right here. When we move this into the hot, it should be removing any other tags. As you can see, right off the bat, it removed all the other tags and it kept the hot. That's exactly what we want to do for every other one. So now we're going to work on the warm. That way when we put it on warm, it tags it warm. So as I said, so we're going to create another 2 triggers for the warm. We're going to go up to our automations, trigger, add trigger, and you're going to create tag added warm. You're going to give a title tag added warm. You're going to do Reireply, contact tag, tag added, warm. Then you're going to update to VA pipeline. Excuse me, acquisition pipeline, warm. Check that off, save it, and you should activate it just like that. That's the first trigger for the warm. Now the second trigger for the warm, we're going to go into our pipeline moves, and you are going to create a trigger. I already have it, that's why I'm showing you what I already have, but you are just going to create add trigger, this button, and you're going to give it this title. Warm pipeline move is going to be the title. We're going to do Reireply, pipeline stage change. You'll just click on it, you'll scroll, you'll look for pipeline stage changed. Add filter in pipeline, acquisition pipeline, pipeline stage, warm. You're going to do, it's going to add the contact warm, and it's going to remove. So you're going to click on it, you're going to look for remove contact tag. It's going to remove any other tag that's not warm. So you'll do set appointment, cold, hot, find comps, under contract, right? Under contract, and set appointment, code, hot, fine, under contract, dead, and closed. Just like that. Make sure you have all of these. You do not want to have the warm here by accident. And what you'll do is you'll save it, and you are pretty much all set to go. You can just activate, so you click and activate. This is already active, that's what says draft. And we can move on to the next one. And we can move on to the next one. So let me just double check. Set appointment, cold, hot, find comps, under contract, dead. Cool. We just did the warm stage. We just created 2 triggers for the warm stage. The pipeline move and the tag added warm. Now the next one, you're going to click add trigger. You're going to give it a title, and we're going to do the cold. So let me click on this cold here. You're going to create a new trigger. Click tag added cold. You're going to give it to contact tag, tag added cold, add an update opportunity, select pipeline. It's going to be the acquisition cold. You're going to leave this checked. You're going to save. You're going to activate. Oh, excuse me, there's one thing I'm forgetting. Going to go in here. Add tag. Well, not add tag, excuse me. Remove tag, contact tag, and you're going to remove anyone that's not the code. So set appointment, hot, warm, dead, under contract, closed, and find comps. You are then just going to activate it. Now we've created the tag added. You can make sure that you move it into this tag added folder. You would simply just look for it. It should probably be down the bottom, and you just click this little arrow and you'll move to the folder tag added. You want to make sure you're just organized. That way, you know, if there's a problem, you can go back and fix it. So we just did the cold. Now we have to create a pipeline move. So you'll do add trigger again, and you're going to create this other pipeline move right here. You're going to call it cold pipeline move. You're going to do pipeline stage changed in pipeline acquisition, pipeline stage cold. And you're going to add tag cold. You're also going to remove. So we're going to scroll down here. Remove contact tag. You're going to remove anything that is not cold. So it removes any other previous tags. Warm, under contract, closed, dead. So set appointment, hot, warm, under contract, closed, and dead. And find comps. You don't want to forget the find comps one. Save it. You're going to activate it. If we were to move this into the code, look what would happen. It tagged cold right away. Now, let's see if we move this to the warm. Beautiful. We're going to work on the find comps now, okay, guys? So, cool. So you're going to add trigger. You're going to do tag added, find comps. You're going to do tag added, like that. We're going to do contact tag. You'll select that. Add filter. Add tag. You're going to search for find comps, like that. Every time you go to find comps, you want it to update to acquisition. Find comp. Oop, I almost clicked the wrong. Find comps. You want to allow it to move freely. So click that green button. Then here, you want to remove any other tags. So you go to remove contact tag. You remove the set appointment. You remove the cold. You remove, let's start from the beginning. Hot, warm, cold, dead, under contract, and closed. I think that's actually one that we forgot for the others, the closed. But don't worry, we'll test it out to make sure. Set appointment, hot, warm, cold, dead, under contract, and closed. Cool. We'll save this. We'll activate this. And now we're going to create another trigger for the find comps. We're going to go back. We're going to create this. So you'll click add trigger, create another one, and you're going to give it this title. The find comps pipeline move. You're going to click pipeline stage, in pipeline, acquisition, pipeline stage, find comps, and you are going to select find comps, and you're going to select remove contact tag, and you're going to remove any other tags that are not find comps. So you set appointment, hot, warm, cold, jeez, cold, under contract, closed, and dead. You want to make sure you don't accidentally put find comps in here. So beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead, activate it. Once it's activated, you're good to go. Another trigger, add trigger. I'm gonna call this under contract tag added. So remember, we're creating a tag added and then a pipeline move. So contact tag, tag added, under contract. I don't know why it's not showing up. Let's go alphabetical. Under contract, we are going to update opportunity to the acquisition under contract, and we're going to select this. We're also going to open this up and do remove contact tag. We're going to remove anything else that's not that tag. So hot, warm, cold, dead, closed, find comps. Set appointment, hot, warm, cold, dead, close, find comps. We should be good. We can save it. We can activate this. Now we can continue to make the pipeline move. So under contract, you guys will click add new trigger, but I already have it made, so I'm just going to show you. Under contract, pipeline move. This is the other trigger you need. Reireply, pipeline stage change, in pipeline acquisition, pipeline stage under contract, and it's going to be tagging under contracts. Reireply, add contact tag. You literally will just click and look for that, then under contract, and here you will do remove contact tag. You're going to remove any other ones like hot, warm, cold, closed, like that. Find comps, and dead. So set appointment, hot, warm, cold, closed, find comps, and dead. You don't want to put under contract in there. Save it. Now we can activate it. Now we have created under contract. Now we just need closed and we need dead. So you guys are going to click add trigger. I already should have it here. Oh, I don't. So I'll do it with you guys. Closed, tag added. We're gonna add this to tag added like all their other ones. We're gonna do contact tag, tag added, closed. We're gonna do here, add an update, acquisition, closed. Check this. You're going to remove any contact tags that are not closed. So set appointment, hot, really tired, warm, cold, dead. Set appointment, hot, warm, cold, dead, under contract, find comps. Make sure you guys are not forgetting any of them. Closed, find comps. Okay, find comps. Under contract. Cool. So we can, but I already have one. So you'll just click add trigger. You're going to give it this name. It's going to be the closed pipeline move. You're going to do pipeline stage, in pipeline acquisition, stage closed, add tag closed, and remove contact tag. Set appointment, hot, warm, cold, find comps. Set appointment, hot, warm, cold, find comps, under contract, and dead, just like that. So make sure you don't accidentally put closed here. Okay, cool. We can activate it. You'll click this. Mine is already activated, so you just save. Now we have created the close. Now we're on the last one. We're going to create the dead trigger. So we're going to go to tag added. I don't have that, so we'll click add trigger. We're going to create dead tag added. I'm going to move it to the tag added. Save. Now we're going to do contact tag, add, tag added. It's going to update in the acquisition pipeline, dead. It's going to click this, remove. So go to remove contact tag. You want to remove anything that's not dead. So set appointment, cold, hot, warm, find comps, under contract, closed. So set appointment, cold, hot, warm, find comps, under contract, and closed. And the last stage would be dead, but obviously we don't want to put that here. So we'll save it, activate it. Now we just need to create one last trigger, the pipeline move for the dead tag. So we're going to go over here. I already have it, but you can just click add trigger and just copy what I have. So the next trigger is the dead pipeline move trigger. You're going to select pipeline stage changed, in pipeline acquisition, pipeline stage dead, add contact dead, and you're going to click the remove contact tag, and you're going to remove the set appointment, the hot, warm, cold, dead. Whoa, I almost did it. Not the dead, because this is for the dead. So under contract, closed, and find comps. Set appointment, hot, warm, cold, under contract, closed, find comps. You don't want to put dead here. Gonna save it, activate it, activate. Awesome. So make sure you're organized. Make sure you're putting all the pipeline moves into the pipeline moves folder and all the tags added into the tags added. So now we're going to go to opportunities and we're just going to test it to make sure everything goes. Let's move this on to the warm. It's tagged warm. Let's move this on to the cold. It's tagged cold. Find comps. It's tagged find comps. Let's move this on to under contract. Under contract, closed. Closed, dead.